Good morning, students, and welcome back to the English class again. As you know, already we have covered 5 chapters from English book, and today we are going to discuss a new topic, a new chapter, and that is about how does the toothpaste get into the tube. Especially in the olden days, when the man clean his teeth, he's supposed to use the toothstick. He used toothstick and clean the teeth and mouth. But when he came to learn the use of toothpaste, he kept the toothpaste on a bowl and put the toothstick into it and he cleaned its mouth, teeth. But this habit going for a long time. But when the man put an idea then how to brought the toothpaste in a tube. So this idea we could learn from this story. The students are requested, those have English book, you please open with me page number 44. Students are requested to open their books page number 44. Okay. Look at here. It was the morning of 1870 in New London, Connecticut, United States. Children were tumbling out of bed, their mothers hurrying them to clean their teeth, handing them toothstick and jar of toothpaste. What? Did I just say toothsticks? That is right. They used toothsticks to clean their teeth back then. A toothstick was simply a twig. And from this beginning of this line, we could learn about the children. And the children, it was a difficult task for the mother to get ready their children. After getting up from the bed, and it is the habit of human being, they are supposed to clean their mouth and brush their teeth. But the children, most of the children were naughty. They always kept themselves away from this habit. So it is difficult task in the morning time while getting for the work, getting prepare food or breakfast. But in this time, it is difficult to make their children ready. So when the children get up from the bed, it is tumbling. The mothers forced their children to clean their teeth. And how they clean their teeth? They use the toothstick. And the jar of toothpaste. These two things they used while they clean their teeth. And the toothstick was a simply twig, that very thin branch of and especially the twigs belong to neem tree. The juice of neem tree clean and make strong the gums. The jar of the toothpaste, again we can see a jar of toothpaste were used because toothpaste tubes were not invented yet. Every member of the family started the day by dipping a toothstick into a porcelain jar filled with toothpaste, including that visiting grand aunt with yellow and black teeth, whose toothstick matched her teeth. And everybody have to put the toothstick into one jar. So it is very difficult because they are putting that toothstick into their mouth, and while you are putting in the same jar, it is difficult. So this was the duty this was the duty, or you can say the habit of the people to put the toothstick into the jar and clean the teeth. Why? Because at that time the toothpaste tube were not invented. Many of family members, they have to dipping their toothstick into the porcelain jar. And it is given one example of aunt, grand aunt with yellow and black teeth, and which was matched with the similar that toothstick, same color. The one morning disgusted, cry went up a dentist house. Who was that? It was Dr. Sheffield's son, Lucius. And why he was crying? Just because he was refused. Just because he refused to clean his teeth, using the toothstick and putting into the bowl. And he decided to use tooth powder henceforth. Then after few years, the Lucius went to Paris for his study. Okay, so students, I think this much is enough for you. In the next class we will continue this chapter. Students, take care, stay healthy. And students are requested, please read loudly this chapter. Read loudly. Okay, and go through the story. Thank you. May God bless you.